In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a sticker using Kittl. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Kittl.com. We're going to sign in. If you guys don't have an account, I'm going to leave a link down below so you can create one. Kittl has an amazing AI hub that helps you create things a little bit faster. So in case you want to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to click right here on the left and you're going to describe Kittl what you want to create. So here you're going to tell Kittl what type of stickers you want to create, what type of colors. If you have a font, you can also tell that to Kittl. And I'm going to click on this arrow. Now I'm going to select where I want Kittl to save my project. And as you can see in a few seconds, Kittl is going to give us stickers. Now what you can do right here on the right is to customize it if you want to change the font or the colors, where you want the alignment to go. If you want to create maybe more stickers, you can also tell the AI to keep creating it. And that is it. Kittl is a really great platform and it makes designing so fun and so simple. And I hope this video helped you guys. I'll see you in the next one.